What's the meaning of ackee? Ackee. 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 Ackee is a fruit that is native to West Africa and now grown in tropical regions, including the Caribbean. The fruit is pear-shaped and turns from green to red or yellow when ripe. It is also the national fruit of Jamaica and is commonly used in Jamaican cuisine. The fruit's flesh is creamy white, and its black seeds are poisonous if not removed properly. When cooked, the ackee fruit has a texture similar to scrambled eggs and is often served with saltfish as a traditional Jamaican breakfast. The dish is savory and flavorful and is enjoyed by many around the world.